Hey everyone, this is Nancy Francis. I'm coming to you to show you how to create a Pampered Chef virtual party on your Facebook business page. So that's important, Facebook business page. Do not use your personal profile like your personal Facebook page. You have to do this in a business page because that's what Facebook wants us to do, and by following their recommendations. And because if you don't do it on your business page, there's a good chance that they'll kind of shut you down. So let me show you how to do that. Let's start by actually creating the party. Let's go into Consultant Connection, and hold on for a second. I have to screen share. There we go. Okay, so let's go ahead and go into Consultant Connection. Let me open this up. I have these bookmarked, but just go into pamperedchef.com and sign in. And once you sign in, you'll see this. Once you see this, this is where I can create my parties. So I like to hit this plus sign up here where it says create. It's super simple. And again, Dash will show you how to do this, but I thought I'd create one really quickly. It's going to be a virtual party. You're going to select the start date. I want this to start August 14th. It'll default automatically for a week. You want to go ahead and type in the person's name. If they're already in your contacts, like this gal, let me see here. This is Tina Jean. She's already in my contact. She'll pop up. Make sure everything's correct. That's important. Okay, and then I like to say Tina's, I'm going to put fun Pampered Chef Party. Okay, I always like to put Tina first, the name, because then it's easier to find. It will automatically create her party link for her. You see Tina Jean right there? And then this part of it where it says Facebook event, you can add that later once you go through the second step and create it. So let's create the party. That's super important. Okay, you have the option of editing the cover photo. You can go ahead and click this. You can also, it will pick up the description that you used last time. So it's not Jessica's. I'm going to go back and put, I got to edit this, okay? We're going to edit that. And I'm going to clean this up a little bit and go with Tina here. Tina, virtual Facebook Pampered Chef Party. It's online, so get ready to learn some recipes, tips, and meal times to make it simple and fun, stress-free this summer. Okay, so we're going to save that. All right, it's saved. So this is what it's going to look like on the mobile device, and this is what it looks like on desktop. There we go, Tina's Fun Pampered Chef Party. Perfect. Okay, now that this is done, the next thing that you want to do is go up here where it says links. Go down and then hit edit, all right? Well, actually, here, you don't even have to do that now. Hit share. And you want to copy this link right here. Copy the link, and as you can see, it's copied. So what I like to do is I have a Word document that I have open right now, or I'm going to open it. This is what to say in the About section and welcome. And this is kind of it's just a little template that I use. If you want to take a screenshot, feel free. But let's get rid of that and put the link there. Copy and paste. I'm doing a Control V there. And you can see it says Tina Jean. And then you want to go ahead, and the party is going to close on, go ahead and fix that up, August 18th. Okay. So I'm going to copy this next. All right, boom, here we go. And I'm going to paste it, copy. All right, and let's just minimize this. Okay, oops, cancel. Let's minimize it. Get out of there. All right, so what I'm going to do next is go into, close this, and now I'm going to go into Facebook. Okay, you need to create a Facebook business page like I've told you, and there's training on that. So I have my Facebook business page bookmarked right here. So this is my personal page, but this one is my Facebook business page. That's where you want to go. And I'm going to show you something. I'm on a Mac computer, but again, you can do this all on the phone and, obviously your PC. Here's one thing that you don't want to do. if I go up here and hit create, we want to create a group, okay? If I go up here and hit create, see this different picture of me? That's my personal page, and I do not want to do that because then you're creating it inside your personal page. You want to create this inside your business page. And this is mine, so you're going to go down here into groups, okay? Boom. You're going to hit create a group right here. Boom. And there it is. So this should be your business page, not your personal profile. So the name of your group isn't going to be that. It's going to be Tina's Fun Pampered Chef Party, R-R-T-Y, exclamation point. And then it says add some people to your group. See where it says Nancy Francis? It will automatically add me as my personal profile to this group. Okay, there's another person that I always add who's just a person that really, they don't have really a Facebook page, but it's, let's see here, there we go. So I'm going to add that, but Nancy Francis is important. You have to have this in here. This is my personal profile. It automatically defaults to a closed group like this, which means that's what you want. So only members can see it and see what's going on. So we have the name, we've got it, let's hit create. All right, and here we go. Okay, so right here it says Tina's Fun Pampered Chef Party, and see it's interacting as Nancy Francis. That's important because if I did it wrong, it would be interacting as Nancy, this Nancy, and that's not right. So that looks good. The next thing that we want to do is we want to tell us about the group. So what you're going to do is click this More button, and then you hit Edit Group Settings. Okay, there's a few things that you need to do in here. You want to have the description in here and also the shopping link. So what I did is I already have it in that Word document. Let's go to that Word document again. Here it is. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy all of this because I've already fixed this up for Tina Jean right here. So I'm going to copy it. Boom. And then I'm going to go over here and paste it. All right, and you want to probably put some space in here. And this can be personal, it's whatever you really want to have in here. I like to say change your notifications. Some people will put the party date. You also want to say how to order. That's important. And I also like to put my contact information. So let's change that a little bit there. Okay, that's one thing. So let's go ahead and save that down here. Boom, save. Make sure you save it. And it should be good to go. Your changes have been saved. The other thing that you want to do, this is an optional thing, but there are posting services that you can use. We use Post My Party, but you do have to add that app. It's an app that will actually allow you, it'll post for you. And there's a training on how to use Post My Party. But I'm going to go ahead and add this app. And basically, I'm telling Facebook that I am allowing Post My Party to post as me, okay? And again, so what you're going to do is don't scroll down because there's thousands of apps. Just start writing Post My, and there it is. No spaces, Post My Party. So Post My Party allows you to save time and post for you. Again, you don't have to use Post My Party, but if you're doing more than just 1 or 2 or 3 parties at a time, it really does save a lot of time and it's not very expensive. Okay, so at this point, Post My Party's there. We've got this going on. Let's just double check that this looks good. All right, About section. All right, there it is. All right, see more. Tina Jean is there, double check. That looks good. Okay, now the next thing I'd like to do is go to the while we're working on this, there's another thing that I want you to do. The description describes the group, but if you go up here to discussion, you'll see this initial post, this one right here. I want you to go up to this arrow right here, click it, and mark it as an announcement. And what that does is that post, which is important information, will show up first on your cell phone, on your mobile applications that you're using, and it'll always show up as the very first post in all the discussion. Okay, so now we have that. Let's go ahead and upload a photo. How you do that? We're going to go back to Consultant Corner over here, okay? And I'm going to go back, and we're going to go, this is the main page again. We're going to go to Marketing Imagery, and this is amazing. You're going to love this. So Pampered Chef has all these different, you can search for things here, but I know that we want to find a party theme, and what we're going to do is fast and fresh weeknight meals. So let's go ahead and click this. We're going to do a virtual party, and these are all the themes that Pampered Chef has created for us. This is the one that I'm going to use, fast and fresh weeknight meals. And I'm looking for a banner. You will find the banners in the party setup posts. 14 assets, and usually there's 3 or 4 banners in each one. I particularly like, I kind of like this one right here. So I'm going to go ahead and download this. If I want to look at it, you can see it that way. So you can see it just downloaded on my computer. All right. You're going to go back up here to Tina's Party in Facebook. All right. And you're going to upload the photo. And it's right here, I think. Yep, that's it. Let's see. Hold on. You can reposition it if you'd like, but make sure you hit save. Boom. Okay. So now we have the photo. We have, let's double check it's all there. Edit group settings. We have the description. Good. It has the link. Good, right there. We have the app right there. Yep, post my party if you decide to do that. And we're going to save it. I just like to do that last measure. And I would also like this to pin to shortcuts, okay? You can go into more, pin to shortcuts. Oh, it's only allowing me to pin 10, so I have to get rid of them and unpin one. Let me see here. I'll get rid of this one. Let's see here. Unpin from shortcuts. Sorry. Bye, Jessica. Okay, we're going to go to Tina's Party again and find it. There it is. Okay, so more. Pin to shortcuts. So what that does, it shows up right here so it's easy to find. All right, the other thing that you can do is if you would like to attach this to your Pampered Chef page so that you can find it inside the invitation, hit the About right here. See how this says Edit right here? I don't want that to say Edit because this is the link to this. So if you go here and hit Discussion, here is the link. You can copy this link, copy it, and then go over to Consultant Corner. We got to go find Tina's Party, right? My party's in order, so let's find Tina. I can actually type Tina in here. Oops, here we go, Tina. And it should pop right up on the top. Tina Jean, Tina's Virtual Party. Let me see here, where is it? Now, let's just do it this way, it's easier. This is the upcoming one, the August. She's been a customer of mine for a while. So if I go in here, I click this. Oh, wait, I gotta move something. I can click host coaching right here. And I can click the links right here. Links. And I think I could do it from here. Oh, nope, sorry. Let's turn around a little bit. Not host coaching. We're gonna edit the party. That's what we need to do. Sorry. Edit party. Ah, there it is. See the links right here? So we can hit edit, and if I want to, which I always like to do, this is our shopping link. This is the Facebook link. So Command V, save. And what that does, it allows anybody that has the shopping link to actually see the party on Facebook, which is kind of cool, okay? So let's see here. I believe it's all done. Yep, there it is. Good. Okay, so now we have the party all set up. Here it is. Oops, sorry. Boom. and you can start posting in the party. And one other thing that if you would like to do, use hi, welcome to the party. There's all sorts of posts that you can use in here. You can also use this little scheduler right here. And this allows you to actually schedule a different time so it posts. Now this isn't Post My Party, this is just Facebook Scheduler, which is fine too. So let's say I wanted to schedule this tonight at maybe at 8:00 p.m. You know, you can schedule your post. Okay, so we're ready to go. But really important, make sure this is interacting as your business page right here and not as your personal page. Because that's my personal, that's my business, and you want it to be interacting there. One other thing that I did want to mention is that once you're in here, see where this says, we're in the discussion. You have to be in the discussion page. See, it doesn't show up there. It has to be in the discussion. Okay? So once you're in here, you can see you have one new member to welcome this week. So what it's kind of fun, and it works well, is to go ahead and write a post, and it'll show you who the new member is. Well, right now it's this one because there's nobody in the group. But what you can do is you can get rid of that and then go to that little Word document again. Here, let me find it. Here it is. And this is just an idea. And you can go ahead and copy this. Let me show you. Copy. And then add something like this. Boom, boom. Yay, some new friends to welcome to the party. Glad you're here. Could you help out by sharing which meal is your favorite one to cook at home? Breakfast, brunch, lunch, or dinner? That will help me know what tools to share. So what, you know, a lot of times you might have 5, 10 people, 20 people. As your host starts adding them to the group, you want to welcome them. And you can actually add a welcome photo if you'd like right here. There's plenty of them in marketing imagery. But what this does is as people comment, they see notifications. And it's that's good because the more people that see notifications, the more people that can join the party. So if they're writing breakfast, dinner, it gives you some ideas of things that are happening or what you can post that make it a little bit more personal. And so that's just something that you can do, is that welcome. So when you see that, either you can welcome them or the host can welcome them, but make sure you welcome them. that makes a big difference. And do it with some kind of an interactive post, just not, hey, welcome, glad you're here. Make them comment, because when they comment, it will show up in more Facebook feeds. So the more people that comment on the post, that's called engagement. That's what you want. And by FYI, see that one scheduled post? That's the one that I use on Facebook Scheduler. So it's your option how you want to do this. You know, and it's as you go along, you'll learn your own tips and tricks. But hopefully that helped you. Okay, good luck, and have a great time in your party. Make it fun, make it original, and use your own creative post. Change post up, because that's what Facebook likes. They want creative, authentic content. So the best thing that you can do is to go live inside here, and that's basically hitting this, go live, and it'll say 3, 2, 1, and then you're live. Doesn't have to be long, but people love to see you in action. So go live. Facebook loves it. Lots of people get to see notifications that way. They get to see you, and it makes it a lot more fun and a lot more personal. The other thing is take pictures of your products on the counter instead of using Pampered Chefs, because you don't want to use the same photos over and over again, because Facebook knows that, and they want it to be authentic content. So just create some of your own posts, change things. Don't just copy and paste, because it's your party, and it's your creativity, and it's your personal touch that will make your show special. So hope you enjoy it, and hope this helped. Here we go.